This girl filmed a video and says, "It's April 5th, 2023. We are sitting with my family in the basement because we are being shelled. Nobody is doing anything. Our house was shelled. A fire in our yard. The windows are broken. We call the service. No one wants to do anything. We should be picked up in an armored car. We are waiting." But the surprising fact here is that this is filmed in Russian Belgorod region. And Russian media are not talking about this because they will not admit that the war has spilled over on Russian side. But that's not all. Besides continuous fires, explosions, and rail derails all across Russia, this is the Russian Ministry of Defense building which is burning in Moscow. Everything going to plan, huh, comrades? And all of this comes after the shocking murder of Vladimir Tatarsky, known Russian propagandist in St. Petersburg. This is an unpleasant chain of events for a country that pretended to be superior and which started the conflict. Well, payback is a bitch. And Russians are trying to understand the motivation of Ukrainians and why they don't greet Russians with flowers. The explanation is simple. Ukrainians are under the influence of drugs. This is very funny because just under the influence of drugs, one can meet Russians with flowers.
Немцы же жестко стоят. Они же тоже не пальцем делают. Корень-то тот же.
Ну, я вам скажу, больше можно сказать так, что они употребляют наркотические вещества. Сколько отлавливали мы их тут? Мы же не только, мы уже на танке, да. Они постоянно под каким-то воздействием наркотического опьянения. Сам видел, когда вели прямой наводкой, одному руку оторвало, он еще продолжал двигаться и шел вперед. Они, да. А у нас, у наших бойцов, мы вырабатываем моральный дух. Они знают, для чего они здесь. Я их не называю мобилизованными.
And this is huge. The Chinese ambassador to the EU said that China does not support Russia in the war with Ukraine, and the declaration of boundless friendship between the countries is a rhetorical device. He added that China does not recognize the territories annexed by the Russian Federation. We guess China is one of the biggest gainers of the war, since they get endless supplies of raw materials and energy with low cost. Russia will be Chinese vassal state. The defense of Bakhmut continues. The road of life, close combat, and a ruined city. Border guards, together with other defense forces, continue fighting for Bakhmut. Representatives of the Wagner PMC have repeatedly stated about the lack of ammunition. But the defenders of the city did not interrupt the supply to the enemy, so they have to ask their friends from the Russian army.
Що прильот сьогодні був у вас, так? А тут вони сьогодні цей район так.
Ukrainians destroyed a Russian antenna using an FPV drone. Can you help me identify which equipment they destroyed? I don't know if this is live or a spent casing, regardless. Very brave.
Ебито не только. Камень. Сейчас, парни. На руку давит, блядь. Это есть? Еще один камень. Ломай, да я сам. Да ты, блядь, ваши тут не помогут. Это ебучий камень, блядь, не стал. Ну да, вот тут БЧ дальше идет. Ой, а как мы его? Пешком пойдешь?
Нормальный парасон.
Ну его грузить надо в машину.
Ну погрузим.
Да, наоборот.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week did 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.